Let's prepare on the TNPSC AE 2019 question paper. Question 101. The water which can be utilized by the crops from the soil is called what? So here the answer is capillary water. Actually there are three types of water. One is structural and then hygroscopic or adsorbed water, and the third one is the capillary water. So capillary water is the water which is held in between the voids of the soil. So this can be easily taken up by the crops. Whereas if you see this hygroscopic or adsorbed means it is the water which is held by the electrostatical force of the soil. So it can be easily removed by oven drying itself. And the structural water is nothing but it is the water held within the structural form, that is the crystalline form of that soil, so that it is not removed by the oven drying method. Okay. 1 or 2, the range of alumina present in good brick earth was by weight is what? So here it's 20 to 30%. 1 or 3, the crushing strength of sandstone is 65 Newton per mm square. 104, the major constituent of cement is contributed by lime. Actually, lime is only the major component of nearly 60 to 65% used in the manufacturing of cement. Okay, and after that will be the silica. So silica is nearly 16 to 25%, and after that is alumina. So it's nearly 3 to 8%, and magnesium and iron are also of very least only. Nearly iron is of nearly 0.5 to 0.6%, whereas magnesium is nearly 1 to 3%. In question 105, the soundness test used for cement is conducted to find what? So it's actually to find the free lime and magnesia. Here only free lime is given, so we can go for that option. 106, for an effective ventilation system, the temperature difference between the inside and outside should not be more than 8 degrees Celsius. Sound absorption means what? So it is the prevention of reflection of sound waves. So when the reflection is prevented, automatically it is absorbed only. 108, the type of crane used in congested area is what? So it's the mast crane. And then 109, sheep foot rollers are suitable for compacting what? So this we have studied in the compaction unit. So there are different types of compaction equipments. So out of that, for sheep foot rollers we will be studying for cohesive clays like that. So here they have given directly, they didn't give the cohesive clay, so we can go for the all fine trained material. Because if you see other things, it's sanded gravel, semi cohesive and things, no. So we can go for option A. 110, for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry, the number of modular bricks needed is what? So it's 500 to 550. The correct answer is 500. So that value only we will be taking for the calculation and all. Thank you and keep watching.